With the way the economy's going, weeds like purslane might just become the next superfood out of necessity. Who needs kale when your yard is full of free greens? This summer, skip the store and let your weeds feed you. Have you ever looked at the wild green plants growing between your garden rows or poking through sidewalk cracks and wondered if they're more than just a nuisance? Believe it or not, one of the most common garden weeds is actually a powerful, edible green that has been used for centuries, and it might just save you a trip to the grocery store. Let's talk about purslane, a low-growing, succulent plant that thrives in the heat of summer and grows abundantly in backyards, garden beds, and even gravel driveways. Quick warning, purslane closely resembles a toxic plant called spurge, which releases a white, irritating sap. Always be 100% sure before harvesting. Thanks for sticking with the channel. Help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Purslane is often dismissed as a weed, but this humble plant is one of the most nutrient-dense greens you'll find growing wild. It has thick, paddle-shaped leaves and a slightly lemony, salty flavor, perfect for tossing into salads, sautéing like spinach, or adding to soups and stews. And if you've ever gardened during the peak of summer, you know how hard it can be to keep tender greens alive. That's where purslane shines. It doesn't just survive the summer heat, it thrives in it. While your lettuce and spinach might bolt or wilt, purslane spreads wide and low, creating a lush carpet of edible greens that regenerate faster than you can harvest them. What's more, purslane has deep culinary roots, especially in traditional Mexican cooking, where it's known as verdolagas. For generations, it's been used in home kitchens and rustic recipes, often paired with pork in hearty stews. Its naturally mucilaginous texture helps thicken broths and gives dishes a rich, earthy depth. Just imagine, while many people rush to the store for kale or arugula, purslane has quietly fed communities through dry seasons and hard times, all without a single seed needing to be sown. And here's the beautiful truth. When you recognize purslane as food, your entire yard transforms. You begin to see abundance instead of weeds. You realize you don't need to spend money on salad greens in the summer when nature is offering you a free, fresh supply right under your feet. Purslane is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and magnesium, making it not just a filler green, but a genuinely health-supporting powerhouse. To use it, simply snip the tender young stems and leaves. Give them a good rinse, especially if you're foraging near roadsides or pets. Eat it raw in salads for a crisp bite. Add it to tacos for a zesty crunch, or stir it into stews and eggs. It blends well with bold flavors like tomato, garlic, and chili. And the best part? Once you start harvesting it, it often comes back even stronger, so you'll have a steady supply all summer long. So before you yank that weed out of the ground, take a closer look. That's not just a wild plant. It's free food, ancestral wisdom, and a resilient green that's been nourishing people for centuries. Purslane is proof that sometimes, the most overlooked things in the garden are the most valuable.